Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a power drill to drive screws like a pro. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling a DIY project, a power drill is your best friend. It's versatile, powerful, and can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's get started. We'll cover everything you need to know to master this essential tool. First things first, safety gear. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from any flying debris. This is crucial because even a small piece of material can cause serious injury. And make sure to keep your hands clear of the drill bit. Accidents can happen in a split second, so always be mindful of where your hands are. Safety first, folks. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now let's talk about the drill itself. You've probably seen one before, but let's get familiar with its parts. Understanding your tool is the first step to using it effectively. There's the chuck, which is the part that holds the drill bit. It's important to ensure the bit is securely fastened to avoid any mishaps. The trigger, which controls the speed. The harder you press, the faster it goes. And the torque settings, which adjust how much power is applied. This is crucial for different types of materials and screws. To start, you'll need to choose the right bit. The bit you choose can make or break your project. For driving screws, you'll want a screwdriver bit that matches the type of screw you're using. This ensures a snug fit and prevents stripping. Most common are Phillips and flathead. Each has its own specific use and advantages. Insert the bit into the chuck and tighten it securely. A loose bit can wobble and cause inaccuracies. Next, adjust the torque setting. This is especially important for beginners. If you're new to this, start with a lower torque setting to avoid stripping the screw or damaging the material. It's always easier to increase torque than to fix a mistake. You can always increase it if needed. Adjusting torque is a simple yet effective way to control your drilling. All right, now we're ready to drill. This is where the fun begins. Place the screw on the material where you want it to go. Precision is key here. Hold the drill steady and align the bit with the screw head. A steady hand ensures a straight drive. Apply gentle pressure and slowly squeeze the trigger. Let the drill do the work for you. Let the drill do the work. You don't need to force it. As the screw starts to bite into the material, you can increase the speed a bit. This helps drive the screw in faster and more efficiently. Keep a steady hand and guide the screw in straight. This prevents the screw from going in at an angle. If you feel resistance, don't force it. Forcing can strip the screw or damage the material. Back the screw out a bit, check your alignment, and try again. Sometimes a small adjustment is all you need. If you're working with harder materials, you might need to drill a pilot hole first. This makes driving the screw much easier. This is a smaller hole that guides the screw and prevents the material from splitting. It's especially useful for hardwoods and dense materials. Just switch out your screwdriver bit for a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the screw. This ensures the pilot hole is the right size. Drill the pilot hole, then go back to driving the screw. This two-step process can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it, a perfectly driven screw using your power drill. A perfectly driven screw using your power drill. It's a satisfying feeling, isn't it? Practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries to get the hang of it. The more you practice, the better you'll get. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy drilling, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep drilling and you'll be a pro in no time.